Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. ### Java tokenizer tutorial. In Java, a string tokenizer is a class used to break a string into tokens. A token is a substring that is delimited by a specified set of delimiters. The string tokenizer class is part of the java.util package and provides a simple way to parse strings. #######. Key features of string tokenizer. 1. Delimiters, you can specify the characters that will act as delimiters. 2. Tokens, you can retrieve tokens one at a time. 3. Enumeration, it implements the enumeration interface, allowing you to iterate through the tokens. #######. Important methods. String tokenizer, string str, constructs a string tokenizer for the specified string using default delimiters, whitespace. String tokenizer, string str, string delim, constructs a string tokenizer for the specified string using the specified delimiters. Boolean has more tokens, returns true if there are more tokens available. String next token, returns the next token from this string tokenizer. Int count tokens, returns the number of tokens that remain in the string tokenizer string. #####. Example code. Here's a simple example demonstrating how to use string tokenizer in Java. #####. Explanation of the example. 1. String initialization, a string containing programming languages is defined. 2. Tokenizer creation, a string tokenizer object is instantiated with the string and a comma as the delimiter. 3. Token iteration, a while loop checks if there are more tokens using has more tokens. Inside the loop, next token, retrieves and prints each token. 4. Count tokens, finally, it prints the total number of tokens remaining using count tokens. #####. Output. When you run the above code, the output will be #####. Important note. While string tokenizer is easy to use, it's considered a legacy class. Since Java 1.5, it is recommended to use the string.split method or the java.utility regex package for more complex string parsing tasks, as they offer more flexibility and power. ######. Using string.split, example. Here is a brief example of how you can achieve similar functionality using string.split. This example produces the same output but uses the modern approach with string.split. #####. Conclusion. The string tokenizer class is useful for simple tokenization tasks. However, for more complex requirements, consider using the string.split method or regular expressions as they provide more features and flexibility.